Welcome to Home of Math, Part 8, Algebraic Fraction, Addition and Subtraction. We will simplify some math in this part. Let's start. We will start from number I. Previous math you will get in the description box. First, here is k plus 2 divide k square plus 2 minus 1 by k plus 2. So first we will make LCM. Here is k square plus 2 and here is k plus 2, right? Then once we divide this LCM by k square plus 2, we will get k plus 2. So k plus 2 whole square minus here is k square plus 2, right? Then k square plus 2 divide k plus 2, and here is a plus b whole square. It means we can write k square plus 4k plus 4, and here minus k square minus 2, right? Then this k square minus k square out, plus 4 minus 2, it will be plus 2. So our answer is k square plus 2 times k plus 2, and here is 4k plus 2, right? 4k plus 2. So this is our answer. We can make this more simplify, like if we take common 2. So here is 2k plus 1 and divide k square plus 2 times k plus 2. This is our answer. So number I done. Then number J. Here is also two fraction which we make addition. So first LCM. Here is t plus 2 divide 3q plus t plus 1 divide 2q. So 3 and 2 has no factor, so 3 times 2 means 6, and here is q and here is q, and common thing is q. So here is 2 t plus 2 plus 3 t plus 1, then 6q. So here is 2t plus 4 plus 3t plus 3, right? Then we can write 5t plus 7 divided 6q. This is our answer. So I and J done. Number K. 3 divide p square minus 4 plus 2 divide p minus 2 whole square. So this one, 3 divide p square minus 4, we can write p plus 2 and p minus 2. How? Look, p square minus 4 we can write p square, and 4 we can write 2 square. It means here is p plus 2 and p minus 2. Okay, if you want you can make one more line or no need. Plus here is 2 p minus 2 whole square. So LCM p plus 2 and p minus 2 whole square, right? Then once we divide this LCM by p plus 2 and p minus 2, so here is 3 and p minus 2 plus 2, right? Then look, 2 and also p plus 2. So here is p plus 2 and p minus 2 whole square, and here is 3p minus 6 plus 2p plus 4. So our answer is 3p plus 2p, it means 5p, and minus 6 plus 2, it will be minus 2, right? Then denominator p plus 2 times p minus 2 whole square. This is our answer. Number L. Number L, here is x divide x plus y plus here is x square and divide here is y square minus x square. So we want to do one thing, like here is x plus y, but here is y square minus x square. This one if we take common minus, so here is x square and here is x square minus y square. So x plus y minus x square, and here is x plus y times x minus y. Okay, then we can make LCM x plus y and x minus y. So here is x times x minus y, and here is minus x square. Okay, then we can write x plus y times x minus y, and here is x square minus xy minus x square. Okay, then we can do one thing, which is this x square minus x square out. So here is what? Here is minus xy, and here is x plus y times x minus y. This is our answer. Thank you. Number M. 1 divided m plus n plus 3mn by m cube minus n cube. So first 1 divide m plus n plus 3mn, and this m cube plus n cube we can write like this: m plus n, then m square minus mn plus n square. Okay, then we will make a LCM. So m plus n, then m square minus mn plus n square. Okay, so here is, once we divide this LCM by m plus n, here is m square minus mn plus n square. Okay, plus here is 3mn. Okay, then we can write like this: m square, and here is minus mn and here is plus 3mn, so we can write 2mn, then plus n square, and here is m plus n times m square minus mn plus n square. Okay, so look, m square plus 2mn plus n square is looking a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write m plus n whole square, and here is m plus n, then m square minus mn plus n square. So definitely we can cut this one, so we will get here m plus n. So our answer is m plus n divide m square minus mn plus n square, and this is our answer. So look, we are doing part 8. You will get all part in description box up to 1 to 7, and number n is our last video of this part. So here is h divide h cube minus f cube minus 1 divided h square plus hf plus f square. So first h, and we can write h cube minus f cube is looking a cube minus b cube. We know a cube minus b cube in factorization a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write like h minus f and h square plus hf plus f square, right? Then minus 1 divided h square plus hf plus f square. So we will make LCM. So h minus f, then h square plus hf plus f square. So here is h and here is minus common, so h minus f. Okay, then we can write like this. So here is h minus f and here is h square plus hf plus f square. So this one we can write h cube minus f cube, right? And here is h minus h and minus plus f. Therefore this h and minus h out, so our answer is f divided, I think this is better, no need to write this one, we can write previous one, or like h minus f, h square plus hf plus f square. Similar, our answer is f divided h minus f, then h square plus hf plus f square. So thank you very much being with me. After this math we are completing up to 9 in by part 8. If we make a summary, it means this video we was starting from number I, which is done, j done, k done, l done, m done, and n done. So we can write like this one thing, which is this is part 8, right? And where we are completing I to n, and where is 1 2 3 4 5 6 math. Okay, 6 math. So this is our summary, which one we already complete, and up to 7 you will get in the description box. Thank you very much. If you think this video are helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, because I try to solving all math step by step. Like in here is 3 part. One part is lowest from simplification, second part is division or multiplication in algebraic fraction, and third part is algebraic fraction, addition and subtraction. Okay, thank you very much.